Now we're in the AI age, and the fourth industrial revolution has started. The biggest problem is that there are no jobs, even if you're not smart at all. You must adjust to this change because the way to succeed has now completely changed. Now we're in the AI age, and the fourth industrial revolution has started. The biggest problem is there are no jobs. Network marketing can create jobs for scores of people if you exclusively sell high-quality, low-priced products. We have the GSGS, Global Sourcing Global Sales Strategy, where we buy the best and cheapest products in the world and sell them through Atomy's sales network. Who's going to do that business? You do. All Atomy does is provide the system. It's hard for you to search the world over for good, low-priced products, isn't it? It's difficult to sell products on a global scale all on your own. Is it difficult to make a delivery system or not? It's quite difficult. Almost all monthly wage jobs are going to disappear in the future. You're going to have to do your own business, but you have to do it right. You have to buy the best products at the lowest prices in the world and sell them on the global market. I want to make it possible for each of you to do this. As a business, you have to deliver your products, right? Atomy's delivery system takes care of all of that for you. You have to manage transactions, right? No, Atomy's automated system takes care of all that too. You have to share your commission with all of your downline partners, right? Through Atomy's automated system, commissions are automatically calculated and paid out. It's your own business in which the company does all the hard work. You just have to do the easy work. You just need to tell others about how good and low priced the products actually are. This could be unfamiliar for you, since it's a new kind of business idea. Some people think it's difficult, but there's really nothing difficult at all. You're just not used to it, that's all. All you have to say is Atomy products are cheap and good, and invite people to the seminar to make them contractors. So is that hard or easy? It's easy. It's so easy, but not if you can't get used to it. If you're not used to getting rejected by people, then it's hard. If you just get habituated to it, there's no easier business than this. So one way to get used to this business is to just do it and to tell others about it. If you tell others 100, 1,000 times, then you're going to get used to that. An alternative is to find someone who is born to sell. So even if you can't get used to this work or do it well, just find someone who's gifted at selling as your partner. Just keep at it until you find this person. Atomy Business allows for you to find downline partners who are far better at this work than you are. It isn't hard at all. It's not hard, but you're just not used to it. But soon enough, you can get used to it and start having a lot of fun. You just talk about Atomy spontaneously. You're going to be itching to talk about it. The future belongs to people who try unfamiliar things. What are you used to? Why get used to being poor when you could think about getting rich? You may not be used to having a chauffeur, but you should really dream about that. What we need to decide is whether this is something that harms others or is somehow bad. Then you shouldn't do it no matter what. But this doesn't harm others. If anything, it benefits them. They can't get such great products at such low prices anywhere else. If you feel that just using Atomy products can benefit others, then you can confidently share it with them. There's another very important thing here. In standard organizations, there are less smart people who work under smarter ones, right? Can people stand working under someone who's less smart than them or not? They can't, so they either leave or they go to find their own work. But even if you're not smart, an extremely smart person can come to work under you. Even if you've only got an elementary education, you can have people with PhDs and experts working under you. This is the AI age, where the artificial intelligence has been developed. It's become an age where people's skills are no longer important. Neither people's skills nor education are really that important. So the world has now changed. People can have upward mobility, and we are the driving force. And I believe that Atomy of the fourth industrial revolution, and the AI age is playing an incredibly important role.